So we're going to take a basic G chord. I like to play it this way because if I want to play it suspended, I have that option. And we're going to pluck the 6th string with our thumb. First string with the 3rd finger. And try to set it down like this. We're not playing classical music. So we're going to focus here. So we've got a basic G chord. So I'm going to suggest that you take the side of your hand and rest it on your bridge. You could play it on your acoustic or your electric, whatever guitar you fancy. And see how I'm angling it this way. Thumb usually plucks the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings, okay? Not always, but that's just a general rule of thumb. First finger you pluck with your, first string you pluck with your 3rd finger. 2nd string, 2nd finger, 3rd string, 1st finger. So with that G chord again, just a 6th string with your thumb, okay? 1st string, use your 3rd finger, 2nd string, use your 2nd finger. And here's the pattern. So now from there, we're gonna go to a C, right? I'm gonna leave that right there, okay? So we're gonna have a different effect. So a C with a high G in the bass. Now we're just gonna move up. Move your thumb up to the 5th string and pluck the 1st and 2nd strings again with your 3rd and 2nd finger. So far we have the G and then make a C, keeping your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. All right, and then we're having, try to get both hands together. So then when we play the D, now we're going to start with on the 4th string with our thumb. Now we're going to go the opposite direction. We're going to go to the 3rd string with the 1st finger, 2nd string, 2nd finger, 1st string, 3rd finger. So thumb, 1, 2, 3, then go backwards. And go back to that C with the high G. And you're going to pluck the 5th string, then the 3rd string with the 1st finger, 2nd string, 2nd finger, 1st string, 3rd finger. Go backwards, playing that chord. Make sure you're resting your hand right there, it's easier. Then to the G. So let's take it again. A G. G with the high C in the bass. Back to the G. To the D. C with the high G in the bass to the G. And you can play it. Make it sound a little different. So there's so many different things that come out of finger picking. Finger picking is great, okay? You can do stuff like, I think I went over this in one of my videos, look for more advanced, and then you got all these different great songs that you can play with finger picking. So, and I've explained this before, but it's worth explaining again. I'm a right-hand guitar player, so my left hand is my technique. My right hand is my expression. So instead of just strumming, listen to how much depth you get out of that. All those different dimensions. Actually, the guitar is not meant to be used with a pick. You know, you're meant to use your fingers. You know, the classical guys, players always held it like this and would do complicated stuff. When blues started, you know, in the 19th century, really started in the 19th century, a lot of those players were just using their thumb and first 2 fingers. Always had a bass. Sounded like they had 2 guitars going. So it's really 2-dimensional playing. This is why I'm calling this video how to create 2 dimensions with finger picking, you know? So here is, you're new at picking, so So I played a G, E minor, C with that high G, and then desuspended, E minor back to G. So if you're new at this, what I suggest you take basic chords, hit the bass, okay, the lowest note of that chord, and then play the first 3 strings. Your first finger on the 3rd string, your second finger on the 2nd string, your 3rd finger on the 1st string. And alternate. G, C, just change the bass to the D. C, G. To the C. Changing the bass, I'm still plucking just the first 3 strings. D, 4th string with my thumb, and the C with the 5th string. Still plucking the first 3 strings to the G, 6th string, first 3 strings. And then you can separate them. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Like I said, so much can come out of this. You know? You get the more advanced. But for now, just work with the G, C, and D. You know, the chords, you mean basic chords, even a bar chord, and just play the, you know, you could use your thumb for the 6th, 5th, 4th strings, and just always play the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st fingers with that 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers, but thumb, 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 1, 2, 3, go backwards, using your bar chords. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.